made it to Mahogany Bay, Roatan, which is in Honduras. And today we are, wow, this braid looks stupid. We are going horseback riding on the beach, which should be insane. My mom, hi mom. Hi. She's been in the back of all my vlogs, but you know, it's fine. So we have made it to where we're going horseback riding. Well, we just went horseback riding on the beach through the water, and it was insane. And now we have some beach time, and I'm drinking a frozen margarita, of course. And like, literally look at where I am. Like, are you joking? This place is insane.
I'm gonna be the boss little gal, so you better beware.
You can rattle your change, put on the dog, and act like a millionaire.
I'm gonna wear the pants, little darling,
And I'll tell you which pair to wear.
I have no idea if you guys can hear me, but I am, what is that? Oh, it's just some rocks. I am currently in Grand Cayman, just chilling on the 7 Mile beach, living my best life. And yeah, tomorrow is our last day. And I'm literally gonna drown, but yeah, so we're here for a few hours and then we're going back on the ship. Oh, it's starting to rain. It's starting to rain. But yeah. I feel like I haven't vlogged in so long, but I vlogged yesterday, so I just didn't vlog last night when we got back from Grand Cayman. So it's currently our last day at sea. Very sad. Here we are, middle of the ocean yet again. I don't know, see what's up for the day. Probably just gonna go lay by the pool all day. Tonight is lip sync battle, which I'm super excited about. And then we come home tomorrow. We get back to Tampa like 8 in the morning and then we fly home.